Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this quick problem to find the value of x. The sixth root of x is equal to the cube root of 2. If I write this sixth root of x as x raised to the power 1 over 6 is equal to the cube root of 2 if I write 2 raised to the power 1 over 3, because we know that the nth root of x can be written as x raised to the power 1 over n. So in the next step, I would like to eliminate this 6 in the exponent. So in the exponent section, I will multiply both sides with 6. So in the next step, x raised to the power 1 over 6 times 6 is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 over 3 times 6. So cancellation, 6 cancel with 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So in the next step, x is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. You can leave your answer here, or you can further write the value of x as x is equal to 4. So this is my final answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.